So I've been contemplating on buying a treadmill for years. I finally decided to get me a treadmill. I really wanted a walking pad, but then I thought about it. I'm like, a walking pad? A couple more dollars added. You might as well get a treadmill. And then I got to hold on to something. I can do the walking pad, but I got to hold on to something. I can be a little clumsy. I can be clumsy. So I just can't do a walking pad alone. So I decided, I'm like, you know what? The walking pad, if you want a good one, a quality walking pad, it's going to cost you $100 and maybe $60, $70. So I'm like, shoot, add another 100 and you got you a nice quality treadmill. You know, when it's raining, bad weather, you just don't feel like or can't make it outside. Well, I got one now and I'm super excited about it. I hope it's good for me. I hope that everything is in the box that's correct. I pray to God that it works. It reminds me of a Peloton, but I'm pushing it. Let's go ahead and put this treadmill together, and I'm so excited and I can't wait to show you guys.
Hey Kate, how are you? Yes, I'm on my new treadmill. Yes, the name of it is MERACH. I got it from Walmart. Can you imagine? It's perfect. I love it.
I love my new treadmill from Walmart and I'm loving it. Oh my God, check this out. I'll show y'all. This is so cool. Get this treadmill. Very easy to assemble. I think it only took my daughter and I maybe 30 minutes to set this up because we had to read the instructions, of course. If you want to stop and take a break, you could just press stop and the walk will stop. Love this. It is so nice. This is real nice. It's a good size and it's definitely sturdy. This is cool. I love it. Walking through the park on my virtual app. It is amazing. The treadmill is quality. I really love it. My daughter and I just assembled it today. I can't speak right now, but so far, I don't want to give it a number yet, but it's looking like a 10 out of 10 for sure. I'm so excited.